What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Very important question that everyone asks: is Realty Income one of the best dividend stocks and one of the best real estate investment stocks to buy? So Yahoo listed as overvalued. The ex-dividend date is on the 30th. The beta is 0.61. Market cap is $20.257 billion. The 52-week range was at $38 to $84.92. The days range is $58.36 to $59.44. The volume's very high. Average volume's very high. Let's look. Okay, they list them as bullish. Let's look at how they've done against the S&P real quick. So this is an important question everyone asks. How do stocks do against the S&P? So Realty Income, what a surprise, aren't they a member of the S&P? They're beating the S&P, okay? They're up 606.50%. The S&P is up 585.27% since inception. What a dogfight right here. I mean, S&P is beating Realty Income, and then boom, and then boom. But there's something very special about this stock. Not only is it beating the S&P, but it is one of the best monthly dividend stocks out there, and it's beating the S&P, and its dividend history is fantastic. So let's look at its dividend history real quick. This is what makes a stock special. And this is a stock that you might want to either keep an eye on. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I have a disclaimer in my videos, but this is one of the best monthly dividend stocks. This is one of the best passive income stocks out there, if you ask me. Honestly, I mean, this is one of the best real estate stocks out there. It's $39.29, which makes it a very attractive stock right now. Earlier, it was right around $80 or so. Now, if you have a Roth IRA, sure, it going down kind of sucks, but if you're a monthly dividend investor, that's great. Actually, it's a Roth or traditional IRA. It's really good for both stocks because the price per share has gone up. Now, this is a monthly dividend stock. Let's look at its dividend history real quick. So I'm going all the way back to 2013. It was 18 cents. Okay, each dividend distributed 18 cents. Then it jumped up to 19 cents. And then it jumped up to 20 cents. Then 21. Then 22. Then 23. And now it's getting close to 24 cents. Now there's no guarantees, but this stock, when the bug hit, it's still standing strong. Has increased its dividend history, which I will go in even further and discuss O's dividend history. The annual dividend is $2.08, it looks like, just for one stock. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Well, let's just say 20, 40, 60, 80, $1. So let's think about this. A stock that is down, okay, a stock that is down that yields a 4.62 dividend yield. That's very attractive if you're a dividend investor. If you have a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA, that is very attractive. I like stocks, dividend stocks. I'm going to tell you this. If it ranges 2%, okay, not too bad. But I like that 3 to 5% range. Now, AT&T is 7%, which I really like. But right now, Realty Income is a very attractive stock to look into. Its monthly dividend has increased over time. Look, you want to see things when it comes to dividend stocks. How's it doing against the S&P? These are my principles I have. How's it doing against the S&P? Has it increased its dividend? Hello, 18 cents to 23 cents, absolutely, and this is a monthly dividend. Is it in demand? Now, let's look at real quick Realty Income's portfolio. This is why it's in demand. We're going to jump to the portfolio of Realty Income. But first, let's look at this. It's a diversified real estate portfolio. 602 consecutive monthly dividends paid, 15.3 compound average total return since the 1994 New York Stock Exchange listing, 4.5% compound annual dividend growth since 1994 listing, 92 consecutive quarterly increases. They have 600 plus tenants, okay? 6,500 properties under long-term net lease agreements, 49 states, Puerto Rico, and the United Kingdom. So it's not just in the United States, it's in Puerto Rico and the United Kingdom, 50 retail and other industries. Okay, let's jump to their portfolio real quick. Here's something very important. Okay, look who their top 20 tenants are. Dollar General, 7-Eleven, Walgreens, LA Fitness, Regal Cinemas. 248 Walgreens leases. That's phenomenal. Walgreens ain't going nowhere. Okay, Lifetime Fitness takes, anytime Sears closes, Lifetime Fitness pretty much takes them over. Okay, so they own 16 Lifetime fitness areas. Walmart and Sam's Club, AMC Theaters, CVS Pharmacy, Kroger. Okay, I own Kroger stock. Home Depot. These companies are going nowhere. Marathon, Treasury Wine Estates, they're going nowhere. BJ's, Circle K. That is a very strong portfolio. That's like an empire. Okay, let's look at their geographic diversification real quick. Here's my state, Ohio. 342 properties, 98% leased, 4.4% total revenue. Let's look at a big state like Texas. 804 properties, 99% leased, 10.7% rental revenue. Let's look at California. California is a state, when the bug hit, they're very strict with their bug protocols. You know what bug I'm talking about. 231 properties, 99% leased, 8.8% of rental revenue. You have a very strong stock, real estate investment trust. Montana even has it. Okay? Let's look at Florida, 5.3%, 432 properties, 98% leased. That's pretty strong. So, here's the thing, okay? Strong stock, increased dividend history, beaten the S&P, okay? Look at the geographic diversification. Michigan, okay? 223 properties, 100% leased. 100% leased. New York, 139, 98% leased. 4.2% of total revenue. Let's check. Let's just check. See if they do Puerto Rico. 100% leased. UK, 24 properties, 100% leased. 3.1% of rental revenue. This is like your own. This is like almost like a mutual fund with real estate. This is strong. Okay. Now this is as of June 30th. But things are starting to open up, and this looks like a very strong stock. People are paying their rent. Okay, that's the important thing. Are people paying their rent? I had a video on rich uncles, and my bricks rate is a private rate. Everything was going phenomenal. They were just getting so much money. They're doing so well. Then the bug hit. They were, a true test for a real estate investment trust is what happens when things don't go right. When you have the worst case scenario thrown at you and the whole kitchen sink. These guys are fine. that these guys are in good shape. They're a strong stock. They are legit. They are a reputable real estate investment trust, and they're very strong. So when you look at real estate investment trusts, you look at diversification, okay, they have a geographic diversification. Let's look at their industry diversification. So they're very diversified: aerospace, apparel stores, automotive, beverages, childcare, consumer electronics. So very, very, very diverse. So rich uncles, I took a hit because they were just student housing. Now think about it. College students, you're worried about the bugs spreading. Look at these guys: sporting goods, telecommunications, theaters, wholesale clubs, grocery stores, healthcare, theaters, you name it, they're diversified. Health and beauty. So honestly, how can you go wrong with these guys? Very strong stock. I like what I see with these guys. I'm going to continue to reinvest my dividends. I'll show you how many shares I own as well. I'm going to jump real quick to that. So as of right now, sure, it's down. I got it when it was a little bit higher, but I own 60 shares. So let's calculate 60. Let's just say 22 cents. So I'm making about, I'll show you in a second how much I'm really making, but it's like $13.2. So then I'm going to reinvest. I'm going to let the compound interest kick in. That's the beauty of this. Compound interest. I'm even tempted to sell my eBay and throw it in O right now. I mean, it's good to be diversified, but man, O is such an attractive stock. I do probably need to start throwing some more money in Realty Income so I can let the compound interest kick in and this really kick in. My goal is to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month in monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month in my quarterly dividends. And I could do that with O. That's the nice thing about O. Now, you look at EPR properties, it's down. Well, no wonder it's down. Let's think about this. Entertainment properties. This owns entertainment properties, but it's also diversified in other stocks. Stag, this is industrial. These guys, they own just about everything with their diversification. They're so strong and so balanced. Yeah, I mean, you can't go wrong with these guys. So, store capital, store, think of it, store, okay, it's down. It's down right now. These guys are so diversified, they don't have anything to worry about. That's what's so powerful about these guys. So let's just jump to see how much I'm making actually with Realty Income a month, and then we'll conclude this. So as of right now, I have $1,111.68 worth of dividends. Now this is estimated income. Now this is not guaranteed. I mean, I have Delta in here. Delta's not giving off their dividend or anything. I plan on selling Delta in a little bit. Maybe I'll throw it into my monthly dividend stocks. But Realty Income now is giving me $14.12. EPR's estimated. Okay, they did announce a quarterly dividend. I'll see what the heck's going on with that. Main Street Capital announced. Okay, Stag announced. Okay, that's slowly going up. But Realty Income, $14.12. I definitely need to put more money in it. Land's giving me almost $1 a month. Okay. So you're seeing where I'm going. Diversification is important, and having a strong stock like Realty Income is going to get the ball rolling. So you guys kind of get where I'm going. Very strong stock to buy. The future is bright with O. I'm going to continue to buy more. Once I start making more money in the future, I'm going to start throwing more money in so that I can actually get to $60 or each month so I can buy more shares. That's what my goal is, to buy more shares each month, Realty Income, because that compound interest is just going to go crazy. So that's the goal eventually, is to start getting to, the price per share monthly and go from there. So that's when it really starts doing some damage. So that's what I want, to each start buying a share each time and reinvesting. That's gonna, I'm gonna need to put probably another 1,000 in. But Rich Uncle's going down is pretty attractive to put in Realty Income once I get some money back. So that's all I have to say. Again, if you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Realty Income. I feel it's very strong. I feel it's very safe. And if you don't own O and you're a dividend investor, what the hell is wrong with you? So that's all I have to say. This is the stock. I think this is the best stock, the best dividend stock out there. If you have anything else in mind, when you have a monthly dividend beating the S&P and it's raising its dividend just about every year, let me know, because there are some good ones out there, but for the price per share on it right now, not too bad. So you let me know, how many shares do you want to owe? How much money are you making? Do you have it in your IRA or Roth IRA? What's your game plan with O? So let me know, and thank you again, and have a good one.